Hi, my name is Brisa Utelesvelo and I will talk about the 5S. Well, what are the 5S? 5S is defined as a methodology that results in a workplace that is in clean, uncluttered, safe, and well organized to help reduce waste and optimize productivity. It is designed to help build a quality work environment, but physically and mentally. The 5S philosophy applies in any work area sustained for visual control and land production. The 5S condition of a work area is critical to employees and it is basis of customer first impressions. In other words, the 5S is a way to be able to perform our activities in an orderly and clean way, which helps us to to work more relaxed. Since we do not see or tours disorganized, and therefore we will be more efficient and more productivity with our activities. The next, the 5S quality tool is divided from five Japanese terms beginning with the letter S, using to create a workplace sustained for visual control and land production. Well, that is to say that it is called 5S because in Japanese this each word begin with the letter S. And the pillars of 5S are simple to learn and important to implement. It is important, but it's difficult to implement. So, the the terms, the first one is in Japanese seiri, in English is sort, and Spanish is organizar. Eliminate whatever is not needed by separating needed tools, parts, and instructions for unneeded materials. The next one is in Japanese seito, in English set in orden, and Spanish ordenar. Organize whatever remains by neatly arranging and identifying parts and tools for ease of use. The third one is in Japanese seiso, in English shine, and Spanish limpiar. Clean to work area in conducting cleanup campaign. The next one is in Japanese seiketsu, in English standardized, in Spanish is estandarizar. Schedule regular cleaning and maintenance by conducting Seiri, Seiton, and Seiso daily. And the last one is Jitgetsu, in English sustain, and Spanish is mantener. Make a 5S a way of life by forming the habits of always following the first or 5S. Well, the any benefits of 5S is improve the safety, higher equipment availability, lower defects rates, reduce costs, increase production ability and flexibility, improve improved employee morale, better asset utilizations, enhance enterprise image to customers, suppliers, employees, and management. Well, the example of the 5S, um, Well, in this image, as we see a very disorganized workspace that lends us to waste time. We're looking for our work tools, raw material, or anything we need. Therefore, as we'll be slower when working, so we cannot produce the amount of work needed in a working day because I need a pen. So my workspace is very disorganized. So I waste the time looking my pen. eh, is well, I waste the time. On the other hand, if we keep our work area organized and clean, it will be easier to work. So we will be more productivity productive productive. Eh, so I need my pen and I know um, where is my what is it? Pues? Another example could be in the factor. Well, my brother's work. My brother works every day at the same hour. In the speakers put a song, and the employees to know that um, they must clean the the work areas and desk and chairs and everything. So it's a very simple way to implement the 5S in a factory, but it's a good way to implement. So it's very simple. Only we need a speaker and a song. So only well the every day and at the same hour, uh, all employees must clean the work areas. So always are the work areas are cleaning. Um, and that's it. Well, the conclusion. It is very remarkable the importance of implementing the 5S in our daily routines as they promote productivity to able to work in more relaxed and a calm way. Always keep our working tools is in good conditions, etc. So I proposed every day to try to make a small change in our work habits in order to be more organized and clean and in the school, in the work, in home, um, any any place. Well, and that's it. Thank you.